Scott Shellady here for Naked Trader on Thursday, the 22nd of March, all day. We had an opportunity to take this market lower today, and we really didn't. I mean, the beans kind of roll over late, or actually all day, but we saw some steady big buying of calls in the wheat market, and we've had these anecdotal stories about the wheat market being extra short. I'm a little bit on board with that, but you can't have a short without a long, and it just depends on who's the strongest at any given moment in time. So that market really has got the funds short, and when they come to get out, that's what the market's been expecting. So we had probably 7, 8, 9, 10,000 upside calls bought today in wheat, which is that's a lot for wheat options. So that really kind of brought our attention over the wheat market. Corn followed in sympathy, and wheat and beans just kind of laid there. So beans down 5 on the day, corn up 2 to 3 cents, and then wheat market was up 10 cents. And today, if we had a day, this was the day that we were going to technically be able to push these sellers through in corn and wheat, but we just couldn't do it. The volumes are still very thin. That's difficult to get anybody behind selling a quiet market. That's something that traders will say to you all the time: never sell a quiet market. So our markets have been kind of quiet, so that wasn't anything that was going to be on the cards for today. But all in all, if you look at a chart, we really haven't gone very far. So here we are again at the upper band in corn, around that 650-ish level. We're going to probably gravitate here for a while. We've got an expiration tomorrow. But this is where we're probably going to be going into the report on Friday. So in a macro sense, we've still got that 10-year ticking around 2.27. The stocks are off today, but not significantly. And we've got the VIX is up a tad. I would still say that, generally speaking, we've got much too much complacency in this market, institutionally and retail. We're not really afraid of what's out there, but we've got 3 big monsters under the bed. We've got number one, we have a U.S. economy that's gaining in confidence, but we're not really gaining in economic figures, and the Citibank Economic Surprise Index will tell you that. We are continually coming out with worse headlines than we really thought we were going to have. Number 2 is the European situation is absolutely no better than it was 4 months ago, but for some reason, the rest of the world thinks it is. I think that we've given Greece an F+ instead of an F, but both of those are failing grades. And then lastly, which is now becoming really the talking point in all the media circles and things in the morning on all the television shows, is that we're all talking about China. The one thing I will say is this, is that the Western economy has had a very difficult time managing a soft landing and any economic slowdown. So the Western economy's got a very difficult time doing it. I really don't think that the Chinese are going to have much better luck than, say, Europe or the U.S. would. So that soft landing in China is quickly becoming a hard landing, and we'll wait to see if the bank problems that we had in the U.S. will spread into Europe, will ultimately, slowly but surely, spread into China. That's what I've got for today. I'm Scott Shellady at NakedTrader.com.